Good morning, boys and girls. How exciting. This is 2026, a brand new year to start our incubator and to hatch chickens. This morning, Miss White has been looking through this instruction manual. Even grown-ups have to read to know what to do. So I have been reviewing this. Last year was the first year that we used this new incubator. So this is the second year. So I'm still not familiar with everything. So I had to read a lot of this morning to find out what we needed to do as far as plugging the incubator in and getting the settings right. So if we look right here, this is talking about filling the water bottle with water and then installing the water bottle in the incubator base. And then secondly, that we are going to turn the air vent, the yellow air vent, halfway open. And we're going to wait 3 to 4 hours for the humidity to stabilize. We want the humidity to be at 50 to 55%, and we want our temperature to be at 99.5% for the first several days, like 18 days. The last 2 or 3 days, we will change the humidity and the temperature will change. So, but that's what we need to do to set up our incubator. So this is our incubator. This will be the second year that we have used this particular incubator. So the first thing I had to do was plug these cords in, get the yellow trays back in. We're going to talk about all the pieces of the incubator as we go along this process. But I'm going to plug the incubator in, and we're going to take a look at where it starts off. It starts off on day 0. It's going to count up to 21 days. It's going to tell us the temperature right now, which is 70. We want it to be at 99.5, and then the humidity we want to be between 50 and 55%. So the last thing we're going to do today is we're going to take this little water bottle. We're going to fill it up with water. We're going to put the top on it, turn it upside down, and put it back onto our incubator so that it can slowly adjust how much water goes into the air. We have to have water in the air inside to raise the humidity level, right? Because humidity means how much moisture is in the air. So we're going to put the top on our water bottle. We're going to make sure it's on really nice and good and strong. And then we're going to flip this thing upside down. The best way to do that is to lay it down on the ground like this and kind of roll it over so we don't spill too much out. And we're going to let it soak down in the bottom of the incubator. That's going to raise the humidity level. So we're going to leave it like this for a couple of hours today. We want to see this at 99.5 for the temperature, Fahrenheit, and between 50 and 55% humidity. It should regulate itself. So I'm so excited. This is 2026, and we are just starting day 0 of our new life cycle of a chicken unit.